Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on the application of Strava. We go to settings, then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about Strava app and you will click in this window. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us.